Hello, welcome to a garage video. It's a little bit different for me today because I built this short hobbit's cave for my bike last year. I did the roof, I did all the felt, did everything myself, and it's perfect. It's perfect for keeping the bike in. The only thing I need to do is tank it. Now, not being a builder, not being anyone with a trade, I've learned everything that I've done here on YouTube, and even building the doors myself. So it's been a learning journey. But one thing I didn't know when I was building it, I painted everything with masonry paint. So as you can see, it's all white, it's all in masonry paint. But what I didn't know was about tanking to stop moisture on a single skin wall when there's some areas above ground level. So what I need to do now is remove all the paint ready for tanking. Now, my friend's moving house in a couple of weeks and he's got the garage matting that I can have, which is great, but I just want to tank the walls out and get it a little more moisture proof so that I can protect my bike. So today I'm going to be grinding some paint off. I have got some beautiful, where are they? Beautiful grinding discs, diamond tooth that I'm going to be using. Now it's going to be dusty, so I'm going to move the bike out, but join me getting this garage nice and dry over a period of weeks, tanked and then kitted out, and then we're going to put some solar in to get it all self-sufficient, and then it'll be beautiful. But we've got the diamond tipped grinding blade, gloves, I've got a face mask and some goggles, and I've probably ruined this seat by getting it nice and dusty, but let's go. It's a dusty business. Woo. Dusty as anything, but we've just had an angle grinder fire, so anyway, it's made a good dent into it. That's the wall I've been doing, so it's come off quite well. But what I might go and do is actually go and get a cheap paint stripper and get it off that way. Actually, I might just treat it with paint stripper, buy a new angle grinder and go again. Quite amusing, just saw the smoke coming out. Anyway, I'll pick up this video another time. Dusty nose. Back on it. After the great grinder fire of 2026, I've got another grinder. So I've done that wall, this wall, and I've just got this wall to go. And then I'm going to get it swept out and use the power washer to clean it down. So we're going to get it swept out. Once this wall's done, get the power washer on it, clean it down, get them wet and dry back at the weekend, clean it down again, and then next week I'm putting my bike in a friend's house and we're going to tank it. So here we go. we are done. The walls, the paint, it's all been ground off. So my face looks like someone who's had a lot of fun, and now the other fun bit starts. We're on the cleanup. So what I'm going to do is brush it out, and then we are going to utilize some of the lovely stuff that falls from the sky from my 1,000 litre tank that I've put in, and we're going to run the pressure washer and get it all cleaned out. Let's have some more fun. So how's it looking? Well, I think we're ready for tanking. I'm gonna get it power washed out again. Then I'm gonna let it dry, sweep it out. Then I'm gonna get a dry vac in here, dry vac it. Then I'm gonna power wash it once more. And then next week, I'm gonna move my bike to my friend's house and I'm gonna tank it. The next video of this will be me tanking the shed. I hope you've enjoyed this. This is me building my dream motorbike garage.